I'm gonna be trying out the GoPro today, just because it's such a pain in the ass lugging around my big ass camera setup. Hopefully quality's not too bad with this though. We are gonna go pick up some spark plugs that I bought yesterday. Hopefully they got shipped. I'd be fucking angry they're not here yet. Alright, I just picked up a whole bunch of coolant. Ed said apparently it needs 4 gallons, which seems like a fucking lot to me, but I don't know shit about this, so all the Google videos told me get this shit. It's orange. He told me apparently it makes a difference if it's pink or orange too, but we're gonna fucking find out. Say that one more time.
Okay.
He said no tools are being forgotten today. Just putting that on the record.
I don't think I need anything.
Got everything, huh?
We're going with that. I paid $270 for that battery. If it dies,
Gotta plug it in and it's just gonna be fucking dead already.
permanent charge. Sweet.
What is that?
One of the motor mount bolts I wanted to replace. I didn't know what size it was, so I got 2. Shit! Forgot the key.
I gotta see it with my own eyes. No fucking way.
Son of a bitch.
I don't know if I put this on my channel yet, but I have a the Bluetooth oil cooler.
The only for looks oil cooler. It's a very rare occasion that I'm missing anything.
Flashback.
I forgot mine. I forgot my fucking. Next time bring a fucking. I think I have a 10 mil. I think my knife is in the Beamer. Of course I don't.
So we have to go to fucking Home Depot because, as usual, Ed forgot a bunch of shit. We grabbed the best we could and some brake clean. Went to fucking AutoZone. AutoZone didn't fucking have it. Home Depot didn't have the real thing that we needed, so we got some off-brand shit. Now we're going to O'Reilly's. We found a fucking thing. Chicken is a big boy and asked for help, and we got help.
Oh! You got the whole shebang.
Yeah, I just had a music video, bro. You know I got it with me. Would you like to explain the situation?
Cross-threaded bolts that were pre-cross-threaded. Hence why there was only 11 bolts with the supercharger for 16 holes.
So what happened was Ed had an impact gun,
impact.
and Ed was just trying to send him home.
No! Oh my god!
Nah, the fucking guy that I bought the shit from must have fucking...
We must have sent him a little too high.
Yeah, he was a little too horny. So at least 11 are good.
I'd rather have 11 in there.
It's almost full coverage. See, we're missing 2 on that one. 3 on that one. That's okay. One of them's a corner one. 4 on that one. That's a little something. 2, 4, 6, 8. That's half of them.
I know.
So what are you missing 4 on this one? You have all of them on that one?
Yeah.
The fuck, dog?
Maybe we can rethread it and get some long ones in there. Let's see! That's backwards. God damn. Hold on, it might tighten up. I did want to close it up, I really did.
They're gonna bring someone by the shop tomorrow morning before coming by. Hey, maybe you should text him what he needs so he doesn't forget it.
I know what I need. I always know what I need.
He's trying to hide his boner inside your car.
No bueno.
Chicken's going up too. We're having a party. Those Harbor Freight jacks are not fucking made for this shit. Look at these fucking recalled
Don't
ass
worry about
fucking...
the Harbor Freight special.
recalled ass jacks.
They're all the way down, bro. Fuck yeah! We're good. Give me the cap.
The cap.
For the love of God.
The lid?
What's up?
The lid?
He's over there looking for it.
Look at that. Lightly used.
It's gonna be another helpful tip for anyone that ever wants to clean anything automotive related. Just brake clean it.
Don't fire the car up right after you fucking spray this,
Yeah,
too.
okay.
That'll be a bad day.
Whatever you guys do, breathe that shit in.
Don't breathe this shit in.
Bro, there's no way that thing fits. You're
It
hitting
is.
right here.
It fits. It does fit.
If it don't fit, put spit. It's hitting the firewall.
Making it fit.
No,
No.
we can't. I'm gonna have to trim it.
If it fit on his shit, bro, it'll fit on mine. I'm not worried.
I think at this point, like, you removed half the car.
I think I broke the clip. I don't know where the fuck I have my marker. Does anybody know? You can still see it. Looks like I got too many spare bolts. Never fuck anything up! I don't understand why that's like a theme. Now we just gotta figure out how to get it to fit.
Why don't you just put the thing on over that?
That shit will rattle forever.
Boom.
Here comes the, here comes the, here comes the, y'all don't